Good evening and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word today. Earlier today was Popcorn Lovers Day. A commemoration of that, today's Navajo word of the day is popcorn. So to say popcorn in Navajo, you say Naadá Dilchxoshí. Naadá Dilchxoshí. Popcorn. Now how the word breaks down is Naadá means corn. Dilchxoshí basically describes something that pops. Dilchxoshí. Pops. And that's where we get the word from. Similarly, we get the word soda pop from the same kind of concept. The Navajo word for soda pop is Dilchxoshí. Dilchxoshí. Tko means water. Dilchxoshí means it pops. So that's where you get the Navajo word for soda pop. Dilchxoshí. Dilchxoshí. The water that pops or the water that fizzles. Depending on what part of the Navajo reservation you're from, some people may say diltáłii for popcorn. Diltáłii, and basically the word just describes something that pops again. Diltáłii. But I think the more common Navajo word is Naadá Dilchxoshí. Naadá Dilchxoshí. As an added bonus Navajo word, another Navajo word tonight is hanííbááz, which means the full moon. Hanííbááz, there's a full moon. Earlier today, the Jewish nation celebrated the holiday Purim. In a nutshell, there was a queen named Queen Esther who became Queen of Persia by winning a beauty contest. She was able to use her role as queen to save the Jewish people from death. If you want to learn more about her story, you can read about it in the book of Esther. But earlier today, to commemorate that, the Jews celebrated the holiday Purim in honor of that, in honor of her courageous efforts. And that usually is marked during this calendar, during this Jewish calendar, when the full moon rises. Hanííbááz, the full moon rose. And that's an additional Navajo word of the day. The main Navajo word of the day is Naadá Dilchxoshí. Naadá Dilchxoshí. Popcorn, since today was Popcorn Lovers Day, and I hope you enjoyed some popcorn earlier today. Have a good evening.